Welcome to the world of Salesforce Commerce Cloud, a key component of the Salesforce Customer Success Platform. It revolutionizes customer service and experience by integrating customer data for enhanced engagement, both online and in-store. Discover how it empowers businesses to deliver exceptional, positive interactions with their customers. Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers robust business-to-business and business-to-consumer e-commerce solutions through a multi-tenant, cloud-based platform. It enables brands to deliver seamless purchasing experiences across channels like mobile, web, and in-store. This unified approach enhances customer engagement and supports businesses in meeting diverse e-commerce needs efficiently. Business-to-business commerce addresses complex online purchasing needs by integrating customer relationship management data for a comprehensive customer view. It features large cart management and multiple payment options, enhancing business efficiency. This capability empowers businesses to streamline operations, engage customers seamlessly, and scale rapidly, ensuring a robust e-commerce strategy tailored to industry-specific requirements. Business-to-consumer commerce revolutionizes digital shopping experiences, offering robust marketing, content, and artificial intelligence capabilities. It empowers businesses to manage multiple sites globally, enhancing customer engagement and boosting organic traffic. With features like Einstein artificial intelligence, it personalizes experiences, optimizing search and recommendations, ensuring businesses stay connected with consumers anytime, anywhere. Order management centralizes the order lifecycle, automating processes for seamless product ordering. It offers a global view across channels, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. This system connects users, systems, and processes, providing a master repository for all orders, enhancing visibility and control over order placement, fulfillment, and delivery. Our content management system empowers businesses to create and manage content effortlessly. With Headless content capabilities, it ensures personalized engagement across channels. This system allows seamless content updates and collaboration, enhancing customer experiences. By integrating with Page Designer, it offers pre-built templates for easy deployment, ensuring your content reaches customers anytime, anywhere. The Commerce Platform empowers businesses with connected commerce app design, offering pre-built templates and application programming interfaces for efficient development. It seamlessly integrates commerce data with marketing and service, providing a holistic customer view. This integration enhances the ability to deliver smarter, faster commerce solutions, ensuring a comprehensive and connected customer experience across all channels. Einstein AI revolutionizes e-commerce by enhancing revenue, productivity, and engagement. It offers personalized recommendations and relevant search results, boosting customer satisfaction. Predictive sort and a dynamic search dictionary refine the shopping experience, ensuring customers find what they need effortlessly. This AI-driven approach empowers businesses to optimize their strategies and drive growth. Salesforce Commerce Cloud delivers comprehensive e-commerce solutions, enhancing customer experiences and driving business growth. It's ideal for businesses aiming to optimize their e-commerce strategies, offering a unified platform that integrates customer data for seamless, engaging interactions. Embrace this powerful tool to elevate your e-commerce success.